mechanical vapor recompression system is a modern, energy-efficient method used in Jaggery production, especially in upgraded or semi-automatic plants. It improves quality, hygiene, and fuel efficiency compared to traditional open-pan boiling. Here's a clear explanation of the Jaggery production process using MVR. 1. Sugarcane preparation and juice extraction. Fresh sugarcane is cleaned and crushed using a crusher mill. Juice is extracted and filtered to remove fibers and dirt. 2. Juice clarification. The raw juice contains impurities, mud, wax, proteins, natural clarifieds like lime or herbal agents are added. Juice is heated slightly and scum is removed. Result: clear juice ready for evaporation. 3. MVR evaporation coursed EP. This is where MVR technology is used. How it works: juice enters a closed evaporator system. Water in the juice evaporates to form vapor steam. Instead of wasting the steam, the compressor MVR unit compresses the vapor. Compression increases its temperature and pressure. This vapor is reused as a heating medium. So, the system recycles its own steam, reducing fuel use drastically. 4. Concentration to syrup. Juice is concentrated to around 85-90 degrees bricks thick syrup stage. Automatic controls maintain temperature and concentration. Final, heating and striking. Thick syrup is transferred to a finishing pug mill. It is heated to Jaggery consistency semi-sweet stage. Skilled control ensures proper texture and color. 6. Molding and cooling. Hot Jaggery is poured into molds or trays, allowed to cool and solidify. Forms blocks, cubes, or powder if processed further. 7. Packaging. Hygienic packing, vacuum or sealed bags for longer shelf life. Key equipment in MVR Jaggery plant. Sugarcane crusher. Juice clarifier. MVR evaporator system, evaporator plus compressor. Syrup concentrator. Molding trays or machines. Packaging unit. Advantages over traditional method. Much lower fuel consumption, bagasse with savings. Consistent product quality. Less labor intensive. Hygienic and scalable. Environment friendly. Challenges. High initial investment. Requires skilled operation and maintenance. Needs stable power supply.